The security of networks today is more uncertain than it ever has been, really. And at the same time, networks themselves are much larger and more ingrained into society than they ever have been. Technology these days has simplified our lives, and it has also made it a lot more dangerous if you look at it from the security perspective. The attackers can use cyberspace as a means to project power. And we've seen institutions all the way down to individuals get compromised via computer security weaknesses, and we need to get a better handle on that. Well, I think the zero trust term these days is, of course, a huge marketing term, but there's also a lot of truth behind it. If we're going to, as technology vendors, provide the ability to connect people in ways that have never been done before, then it's also incumbent upon us to have a means of securing that infrastructure. And zero trust is a good way of thinking about how to do that in the long term. Too extreme, given that we are a networking vendor and we provide everything from the cloud all the way down to the wireless edge, along with data center class switching, the zero trust to us is a means by which we can securely provide networking capabilities to our customers across the board. Zero trust is a foundational component for maintaining and achieving secure computing and networking today. Infinite enterprise is something where you have an inherent conflict, let's say, between the need for every user to be able to gain access to the network and then also do it securely. So how do we apply zero trust principles to the infinite enterprise in a way that doesn't break functionality and at the same time achieves a defendable network for our user base? That's the question that we're going to attempt to answer in upcoming blogs on the Office of the CTO blog. And I hope you'll read that blog. It should be interesting.